Hello, I'm Dr. John Santiago, retired Colonel of the United States Air Force, professor, mentor, and proud IEEE life member. Over the course of 40-plus years, from directing precision-guided weapons systems to mentoring engineering students in the flipped classroom, I've come to realize that a lifetime of impact can be lost if it isn't scaled. IEEE gave me a platform, a professional home, and a network. But to truly pass the torch, to inspire students, educators, and engineers across generations, we need the right medium. That's where Camtasia comes in. Here's the problem. Too many IEEE members and educators have remarkable stories. They are solving hard problems, mentoring young minds, building the future, but their impact is confined to live talks, conference halls, and PDF resumes. In an age of short attention span and multimedia learning, we need tools that bridge tradition with technology. That's the bottleneck. We need a simple, powerful way to tell our stories, teach our values, and connect. Camtasia empowers any IEEE member, regardless of production experience, to create rich, professional multimedia content, narrated videos, flipped classroom modules, animated leadership stories, and technical tutorials. I've used Camtasia to produce, to plan, and to turn flipped classroom videos into over 30,000 YouTube views, transform static PowerPoints into dynamic storytelling for extending John Wooden's Pyramid of Success, develop engaging STEAM content that are AI-assisted for K through 12, undergrads, and life member histories, create green screen overlays to humanize complex technical topics like circuit analysis, blockchain, AI, and systems engineering. With Camtasia, I don't just teach, I preserve legacy, mentor virtually, and multiply my impact. Now imagine this solution. IEEE members across regions, young professionals, life members, each empowered to produce their own story. With one tool and one click, they upload to a shared IEEE platform. They inspire globally while mentoring locally. We build a living archive of innovation, wisdom, and impact, accessible by any student, engineer, policymaker, or parent. Camtasia isn't just a tool, it's a bridge between legacy and leverage. It lets us turn mentorship into media and engineering into influence. So right now, I'm inviting you to join me in scaling our story, our professional home, our IEEE Camtasia, to give us the power to document our journeys, inspire the next generation, and multiply our reach, not over decades, but in weeks. Let's equip our members with tools that match their wisdom. Let's make storytelling an IEEE advantage. Let's turn impact into infrastructure, one story at a time. Thank you. Oh, I forgot to ask about this. As engineers and being inherently skeptical, we're asking for a $750 grant to test this concept for the IEEE Pikes Peak section. We will use 3 or 4 AI-assisted Camtasia software licenses and provide it to selected young professionals and engineering students to help deliver engaging STEAM content. Thank you again for your attention.